Okay, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a trail of over Sprite. So here is Scratch Cat. Today we'll be using Scratchy, so we're going to rename him to Scratchy. We're going to name any sign one, but I want to sound Scratchy. First thing you're going to do, you need this variable. In fact, we don't need any variables, so no. First thing you're going to do is you're going to do one flag clicked forever. Go, point towards my pointer, move 10 steps. You see it's glitching right there for some reason. Well, yeah. Now, we want it to move left to right so that it sees us like this. I don't know why it's glitching. So, anyways, it should look like this. Now, if we wanted to make it to move, so first we want to make the trail. So we want it to, when flag clicked, forever, repeat 10, create a clone of myself. I want to start as a clone. Then it is going to set its color effect to 0, change its color effect by 25. Don't use this color effect. It should clear its own graphic effect. And then change ghost effect by 10. Make sure to set these both to 10. And then put in a repeat 10 loop inside. Then delete the clone. As you can see, we have a sprite trail. It follows our mouse, and now it follows our mouse and moves towards it. It looks really cool, right? Well, we want the sprites to actually decrease in size, so let's change the size by 10. Set the size to 100 when you begin the project. Well, we want to decrease the size, so set this to -10. Now, the sprites will have an amazing trail. That looks so cool. This looks so cool, guys. Try this out, and it's going to look so cool. And the thing you can actually do is that you can actually forever change the color effect of this original sprite, but no flashing lights. Change the color effect by 1, and wow! Now the cats follow the specific color. Whoa! Does that look pretty cool? Yeah. Another way to make a button look cool. Another way to make a button look cool is minus to cool things. And all the cool things you can do in Scratch is when you can expand something. You can ghost something. Like, show you this. A sprite. Just name it a sprite. Draw anything you want. I want to choose one of these sprites. One of these costumes. Let me see which one I want. I really like this nano. Wait, let me wait for load. It isn't loading. Goodness. Goodness. Oh yes, it's right there. He's right there. I really like this nano sprite, so I want to pick this one. Now you just wait for it to load. It shouldn't take a while. If your device is kind of slow, then just wait for a while and then it will completely load. I should use the full nano sprite. Well, now nano has loaded into our project. Just delete this costume. Now, let's show you how to make it expand every time we move the mouse over nano. So when the flag is clicked, forever, if touching the mouse pointer, then it is going to repeat until the size equals 225. 125 size. Change size by 5. If else, then repeat until size is 100. Change the size by -5. Let's see. Wow. And then I'll change his size every time we move his house over him. Now Scratchy's going too. Wow. And every time we click Nano, we want him to expand. When the sprite clicked, create a clone of itself. I'm going to make another one. When I start as a clone, clear all graphic effects. Then repeat 10. I'm going to move here. Then do change color effect, no, change ghost effect by 10. Change size by 10. Then delete this clone. Now, every time we click Nano, it makes a sprite like that. That looks pretty impressive. Now, that is the end for this tutorial. I'll show you some more cool things later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!